Awesome. Well, hello, everyone. My name is Michael Gentile. I am a director and the largest shareholder of Northern Superior Resources, who just announced a very creative acquisition of Genesis Metals in the Chapais-Chibougamau gold camp in Quebec. We're really excited about this transaction for multiple reasons. Prior to this deal, Northern Superior was one of the most dominant and active players in the Chapais-Chibougamau camp with two distinct properties, Croteau Est, which has a 640,000 ounce gold resource of 1.7 grams per ton, and the Lac Supérieur property, which made a significant discovery over the last 18 months called the Falcon Gold Zone, which is directly adjacent to IAMGOLD's Vanstar Nelligan project. So we were already a very dominant player in the camp, very well capitalized with significant scale. And we see this Genesis Metals acquisition as highly strategic and highly accretive to our shareholders and to both combined companies. The reason is that Chevrier's gold deposit lies basically equidistant between both our Croteau Est and Lac Supérieur properties. Combining these three properties gives us three large-scale district properties within a 50-kilometer strike, each of which is a maximum of 20 kilometers away from each other. It increases our gold 43-1 compliant gold resources by over 140%, and our land holdings in the region by close to 70%. So highly accretive on those metrics, significant scale. And why this transaction is important is you're trying to put together an economic mining project. Having the scale, the ounces, the land position, and the economic heft to put a mining project together is extremely important. So we think this is a true case of 1 + 1 = 3. There's significant cost synergies, significant scale synergies. In addition, this camp is a very active camp. I mentioned Nelligan's project of 3.2 million ounces owned by IAMGOLD. There's Doré Copper in the camp. There's a bunch of other projects that are moving along very rapidly in the camp. And so being the largest landholder, one of the largest resource holders in the camp, has significant strategic value going forward, both for larger producers and for future consolidation. So we see this as a very important transaction for Northern Superior. We're well capitalized with about $12 million in cash. We're going to be running a record size exploration program in Quebec this year. And on top of that, Northern Superior also has a significant property in Ontario called TPK, which is a very large district scale gold property in Northern Ontario, which is highly prospective. And the Genesis Metal transactions also brought us the October property, which is also in Ontario. So there's a nice synergy there as well for our shareholders in Ontario by combining those Ontario assets into a second area of focus for the company going forward. So we're really excited about this transaction. We think it's a win-win for both company shareholders, and we expect to see hopefully material revaluation of our resources and land package in the future as the market gets more comfortable and more excited about this deal that we're very pleased to announce late last week. So thanks very much for your time, and I hope to be able to answer any questions you may have in the weeks and months ahead.